freezing. Flipping heck. It's not the right weather to be doing this. We're in the middle of November, it's freezing and cold outside, and this week we're going to talk about your email security. So the reason why I'm standing outside is because your email security, you need to have it in place, and you need to have it in place before things get into your system. So you'll have things like your, it's far too cold out here to think what I need to talk about. So we use a product by Mimecast. We've been using it for about 7 or 8 years now. It stops those emails coming through from outside of your system and getting inside. It's got a lot more chance of blocking something before it's got into it. You know, once it's on your system, it could start encrypting stuff, it could start doing things, and it's useless at that point. It can't do anything. You need to rely on your backups at that point. You need to rely on your antivirus. Any other malware products you've got there, it's just not going to do it really. And you need, absolutely 100% need to have this covered. There is no way in any world that anybody out there should not have a form of email security. And don't think, you know, if you're using Office 365 or you're using Gmail that you are protected. They do have some protection in them, but they are by no means as good as it needs to be to stop the kind of content that's coming through emails nowadays for businesses. The reason why I'm sitting outside in a t-shirt, for some stupid reason, it was nice and warm in the office, very much like where we are here, is that it's more easier to stop somebody before they get to the front door. That's stopping those things from getting into your business, because by the time they've got that far, quoting a famous Star Wars film, is your last hope. You know, you're relying then on your users hopefully not opening those emails, hopefully making that right decision that that's not a malicious email. And then even if they do, you're then hoping that your antivirus protection that you've got is good enough. The things out there are happening at such a fast rate that things get through regardless of how much protection you've got in place. Even with email protection, they will still get through. Yes, it does have the odd false positive. It will block something that shouldn't have been blocked. Likewise, it will let something through that shouldn't have been let through. They all do, pretty much. You know, you're never going to find that one product that does everything. You know, it's not going to give you 100% blocking of malicious emails. It's just not going to happen. There's too much coming through nowadays. I think Mimecast quote something like 99%. I'll double check that and flash it up on the screen here just in case I'm wrong. So it's worth just keeping that in mind when you're picking a product, really. So I think that's probably it for email security. If I have missed anything, please drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Click on the like button if you liked it, and see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.